Hello and welcome to Maker Mondays with Harris County Public Library. Today we'll be getting in the Halloween spirit with some homemade spooky stamps. You can find written instructions and more for this craft at hcpl.net. Here's what you'll need to make this craft. First, a sheet of craft foam, a pair of scissors, cardboard or craft wood, glue, stamp ink, a pen, and a printed template for your stamps. The first thing we're going to do is take our printed template and cut out the designs we'd like to use. It's a little easier if you roughly cut them out first and then go in again with your scissors to get a more detailed cut. Our HCPL template can be found online under Maker Central, but you can also print your own custom shapes or freehand a design. After we have our shapes cut out, we're going to outline them onto the craft foam and cut them out. If you're using a thin foam, you'll need to make 2 copies of the shape, which will stack on top of each other for added thickness. If your foam is too thin, you might have trouble getting a clearly defined stamp in the end. Once you get your foam shapes cut out, you'll need to mount them onto a base. That way we can grab onto them while stamping. This is where you'll get your cardboard, but really any thick flat surface would work as a good base. We're going to cut 2 rectangles a little bigger than our design out of the cardboard, roughly 2 inches by 3 inches. Now that we have all the pieces we need cut out, we're going to glue our foam pieces together and our cardboard pieces together. Then we'll attach the foam to the cardboard. Let it rest for about 30 minutes and then you're ready to go. Grab your ink and use your stamps to decorate cards, make your own spooky Halloween decor, and more. Experiment with paint, create your own design, and get creative! Let us know what you make with your stamps by posting to our Facebook page or tagging us on Instagram with the hashtag HCPLMadeIt. Thanks for joining us for Maker Monday, and remember to join us every Monday for more fun Maker content. Until then, check out your local library for even more book recommendations.